Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making some Chipotle bowls. Stay tuned. So guys, here are our lovely ingredients for our Chipotle bowl. We're going to start out with some fresh veggies, some rice in a rice cooker. I'm actually using brown rice because whenever I go to Chipotle, I always order a brown rice. I have my red onion, my diced bell peppers, and I'm going to saute those over the stove here. And here I'm using strip steak. It's really inexpensive. It's about $7 a pound at Walmart. Super quick and easy to cook. And oh, so tasty. And I just put a little bit of olive oil in there, along with some seasoning to give it some flavor. And just flipping it over there. And as you can see, it browned up really good in about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is a really quick and simple recipe while the veggies are back there browning.
Is this enough steak or should I make
nice
the second
and
pack?
soft for our Chipotle bowl.
You sure?
And the finished product, I got some steamed corn here. When I go to Chipotle, I always order the corn salsa. So I have some regular salsa and some corn, and I also have the paste picante salsa along with both beans. I actually ordered the brown beans and the black beans. We got some mozzarella cheese on deck, some avocado, some lettuce, and there's our steamed brown rice looking nice, moist, and delicious. Yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and make our burrito bowl. I mean, there's no wrong way to go about it, right? You can order whatever you like at Chipotle and they're gonna hook you up. But you're going to pay pretty penny, especially if you want the added sour cream. I'm sorry, not sour cream, avocado. So here's my layers. I start with the rice, and then I add the black beans, the brown beans. A little bit more brown beans because you can never have enough beans. How are you doing? And then I added my steak. Look at that beautiful steak. It looks so good. You can almost taste it through the screen. And then here you can see I added my veggies, my salsa. Thick and chunky is how I like it. How about you guys? Do you like it thick and chunky? And then I added my corn and my lettuce. Topped it off with some mozzarella cheese, some sour cream. And lastly, but definitely not least, some avocado or guacamole, as they call it. Can't go wrong with this Chipotle bowl. You better make you some. And there you have it, guys. Homemade Chipotle steak bowl. Of course, you can do chicken if you don't prefer red meat. You can do turkey. You can do whatever your heart desires. You can do meatless. You can do a veggie bowl. But with this Chipotle bowl, it was oh so tasty. My family enjoyed it tremendously. We had leftovers, so we were able to have it more than once. And here I'm just tasting it because it was so good. I wish I could have given you guys the first bite. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite thing that you order at Chipotle? All right, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful night. Take care now.